Custody of children is a very important issue in the divorce process. Obviously, it's a very enormous concern to my client. And so children are worth fighting for, and parents can often disagree about where the children should live and which parent should live with them primarily. I try to steer away from the expression primary custodial parent, because that suggests that the other parent is not a primary parent, and that's offensive to some parents. Over time, the idea of visitation has changed to be called a parenting plan. And when the parenting plan is very liberal, it means that really, in a way, neither party has primary physical custody. So what happens often when I handle the divorce is I negotiate with the other side a parenting plan, which obviously identifies where the children will be on certain days and at certain times, how to handle holidays, how to handle vacation times. And then the parents follow this plan, but sometimes there are exceptions to these plans, and sometimes the parents can't really negotiate those exceptions very well. It's often decided by a third party called a guardian ad litem. And that person, often called a GAL, is appointed by the judge at the request of either parent, and that GAL makes an investigation, effectively, of the situation, interviews the parents, interviews the collateral people in the parents' and the children's lives, such as teachers and doctors and family members and friends, and makes a determination about where the children would best be living. The other person who can be intimately involved with the parenting plan is a parenting coordinator. And that's a person generally paid by both parents, who helps the parents make decisions about the ongoing issues with the scheduling for the children. Because as hard as we try to establish a firm parenting plan, the child is with the one parent these days at these hours, and another parent other days and other hours, and that holidays are alternated by even year and odd year, there are going to be almost more exceptions than the rule. I've seen situations where the parents are well entrenched, very entrenched in the financial issues, but amazingly can handle the children's issues very, very well, and have really kept a very good focus on the best interests of their children. I've had other divorce situations where every holiday is a battle between the parents about the children, deciding on which school is a battle, and everything related to the children is a fight. So, and in some of those cases, the finances aren't such a big issue. So when I get a client, I never quite know where the battle's going to be.